going on, YouTube fam? The ex-predator here, walking into the garage. I'm going to try one of these YouTube shorts and see how that works out. But as you can see, I made a significant amount of changes to this beast. But I want to draw your attention to this 40 rear tooth sprocket. Currently, I'm running a 42 that came stock with it. I've been doing some research, asking some questions, talking to some folks, and now pretty much understanding how the gear ratio works. Currently, the stock is a 17 front sprocket that I have on here with the 42. Now that's good in the middle. Most of the current bikes that are coming out that have been getting me on the road races are running with 41s. And some are running 40s, and understanding how that gear ratio, you set it up to get the power to the ground quicker, you know. The inherent advantage of using a 40 tooth rear, the top end and fuel economy, you're gonna get better off of that. And shout out to Will for hooking me up with the Vortex rear. It matches the whole set with the Carazaras that are going on the bike, courtesy of Absolute Cycle in Rahway, New Jersey. Make sure you check out my boy Steve. Yeah, you might have to wait a little bit because he and I are kind of fighting off this thing, but that's a whole other story. But yeah, we'll both be available in another week or two. But yeah. I was asking some questions, and shout out to the ZX14 page on Facebook about, what's the best gearing ratio combination. I've been hearing 16, 41, and so on and so forth. Depending on what you plan on doing, I like to go fast. When we go down to Mexico, I'm a top end guy. I'm not really a road racer per se. I had my taste of that when NV King, Moto Mac, a couple other guys, we were out last December, and I learned a lot from it. You have to be set up. There's no excuse to it. You gotta be set up properly to be successful, and I think that starting with this. Like I said, this is the last stage before I start tinkering with internals, God willing, this year. But yeah, this thing looks really nice. Really, really, really nice. It'll go with the black and red accents. That's been the theme of the bike. But yeah, that's the next thing in the shoot. This is, like I said, a short. I will have updates on these mirrors. Whoa, about to. Jesus. Damn it.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I'm not too happy. Had a major boo-boo. And something had fell on the floor. And that was supposed to be my spare kit. And I stepped on it. Golly. Oh, boy. Let me tell you. Sometimes you have to put it in God's hands, if whoever you believe in. Let me tell you. I have a rash of bad luck. But, you know what? We're going to focus on the positive here. But, yeah. I'm going to be... Yeah, that put me in a bad mood. All right, let me just bring this to a close. Let me know what y'all think. Do you like the color of these things? It's gonna be all right. And then I'll just keep spares. I always keep spare parts. God forbid anything should happen. I'm getting really tired of these potholes beating the hell out of my my front. But I'm gonna get Zeus situated. So yeah, like I said, YouTube short. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.